I have a basic gun model which is parented to this armature's root bone. So we begin by adding a control bone on the top and a muzzle bone at the end of the barrel. Also, we parent the newly created bone to the root bone. For the muzzle flashes, you need to go to Google and download a PNG image of a muzzle flash. You will need a side and a front variant. For this tutorial, however, I have already provided the images in the description below along with the blend file. Now in Blender, import both the images as planes. If you are on an older version of Blender, you will need to install the import images as planes add-on to do this. Now we arrange the planes as so, with each image perpendicular to each other to mimic a muzzle, and join the planes into a single object. Now place the muzzle in front of the barrel. Now we parent this muzzle object to the muzzle bone we created earlier. Now the muzzle can be controlled by the bone and we need not animate the object itself. Now let's go to the main part. First, select your muzzle bone and open the end panel, and right click on the scale and insert a new driver. Now change the expression to just VAR. We will select the object with the control bone and type to be Y location and set it to local space. Now go to the driver editor space and make sure you see the straight line. Now select the X scale driver that we created and in the expression bar, multiply the variable with 10. Now we can control the scale of the muzzle with this single bone. Now copy this driver and paste it to the remaining two scale values. To get a better control at this setup, we add a limit location constraint to this bone, with limiting the Y location from 0 to 0.1. Also, lock the X and Z locations of the bone to make the control better, and your rig is now fully complete. Let me now show you how I animate the firing action. Just make two key values, one where the size is maximum and other where it is 0, and copy paste the key values as many times as you like or whenever the firing needs to be done. So this is the end of the video. If you learned something, go ahead and like the video.